Couple common questions I get when a phone call comes in or someone looking to start a remodel project or book a consultation would be, how long is your guys' lead time? Like how long until I'll be able to start construction? Another question I get a lot is budget. Do you guys have an absolute, budget, a pricing per square foot? Another question I get is, will you guys be able to give me an accurate estimate when you guys come in and visit? Another question I get a lot is, what exactly does an on-site consultation look like and what will go on during that meeting? Another question I get is, how will I make design choices and selections? Another question that I get is, does it work if I choose to work with an interior designer? We also get typically questions, since we are a general contractor, if we take charge of the project or if we use subcontractors, or how much work do we do in-house versus subcontract that work out. Another question I do get is, how long will the whole process take, or how long will I be in that construction period where my house is actually being worked on. Another follow-up question to that would be, are you guys able to work on my home while I'm gone? Or how does that work if I'm an out-of-state client? For example, a client lives in California, but they have their second home in Arizona and they want to get work done on it. How does that work? And these are all questions that can be answered for the most part during a phone consultation. And so the most important first step is to pick up the phone. We can be reached via website. You can book an initial phone consultation with us. It can take 10 to 15 minutes or so to discuss the scope of your project, what you're looking to do, any questions you may have, and we can look to get something on the schedule to have some of our guys come out to your home and take a look with you. We can be reached through social media, Instagram, Facebook. We're also doing events all the time, sponsoring events, things like that in certain communities. And so you may see us out and about in Scottsdale and other surrounding areas in the valley. And so if you see us, it doesn't hurt to stop in and say hi, ask us any questions you have. That's what we're here for. We're here to help you guys out and answer your questions. So, pick up the phone and give us a call.